been very challenging to the people of Kenya. You've had serious economic problems. You've had challenges. You've had demonstrations. Lives have been lost in the course of this year. Innocent lives. But we have also seen something that we want to see end with this year. The issue of abductions of innocent people. This is a primitive thing. And it is something that is very strange. You cannot live in a country where people disappear or people are abducted for no other reason and kept incommunicado for a long time. That shows that there is no government. The government must take this matter seriously. And this thing must end completely. People have been abducted. Families have been left in pain. Many parents have been crying. Our child was abducted the other day and by some people who were uniformed, and you have never seen this child up to now. These kind of things are very strange. So I want to urge the government to ensure that this matter ends completely this year. We want a safe and secure country. We want a safe and secure country. Gone were those days when they used to arrest you and take you to Nyayo House. But at least then you're being taken to Nyayo House, which is a government institution. These days you're being taken to unknown places. We don't know, we don't want this kind of primitive things to happen in our country. It's primitive and it's unacceptable completely. So with those many remarks, I want to wish each and every Kenyan families all the best, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2025. Thank you.
You know, there are some people who are complaining that the coming in of Uhuru Kenyatta together with Ruto is interfering and taking our share. There is no share that he is taking. What he has done, and he has done it with the concurrence of our leader Raila Amolo Odinga, is to further unite the country. We need peace in our country. We need to be together, and that is the only way what development can take place. There can be no development without peace, and there can be no peace without justice. Justice, we must continue to demand justice. As we demand justice, let there be peace. And personally, I'm very happy that Uhuru Kenyatta has come in, and what Raila has done is something which I think many people will not be able to do. So I don't want to say more than that.
They are contributors of the progress of our society. They are working hard to make us have food on the table. They are working hard for medical security. They are not recognized. In this year of Christmas, institutions, democracy.
Maduong kuom nyiri duto mami ipako Raila wadga kinyi ema uneno kani ng'ani uneno kani en nyako ma scientist maduong ma chemist ma japuonj University of Nairobi iluongo ni Dr. Kinyi
do we nurture positive masculinity? Mambo kwenye vipimo. Yesu kana nyuol to bende wani malaika madongo kumakwan bende Nyasaye oseyero e piny machielo ka kelo joma moko biro. Waneno ka unseen heroes ne gin malaika ma kelo wach maber manyo ruoth ten nyathi mane kidwa ka mane ich mabodo kone to ne gin achiwo cases. And we are proud of numbers and also we talk about democracy. Nyakwangeni institution machalo kamago are sometimes limited in a way or the other. Makinde ka kinde okubedo vilwa gi system mwantie. Warwako wadogero mos. Ni Nyasaye ofwenyo ni jokwath kada juoke kanyiso ni tenda timo manyuol betno babro bilo for the society. I want to say again, ni Nyasaye loso kodwa kani malaika ofwenyo ni kendo jokwath kosa nyuol Yesu Bethlehem. Wachuo masani wonyathi matin okang'eyo nosekwen kata pok nokwen kata ikano Yesu.
Nikwa Jaramogi, nitie nyithind Jaramogi. Nyithind Jaramogi ni kaeri uneno ka otelnegi ni mokwongo en